Check it out, guys. It's our first video in the new YouTube studio / workshop area. It's still a work in progress. I'm still moving things up from the basement, but nonetheless, I think it's close enough. We're gonna kick it off today. And we're gonna kick it off with this, the new Hobby Plus Speck-B. This is a 1/24 scale ready to run race buggy. This is available in two different colors. It comes in this razor orange. There's also kind of a vintage cream option. It comes pretty much fully ready to run. You do get a 350 milliamp LiPo battery. What I love about this Hobby Plus model is that it uses the PH 2.0 connector. So you're gonna have more battery options with this. You get your detailed owner's manual, you get your standard USB wall charger, a T-wrench. There is some extra gears in there as well. You get the FlySky 4-channel radio, similar to what we're familiar with the other Hobby Plus models. All of your basic trim and dual rate functionality here. You do get some extra options with your dip switches. You can do battery type and your drag brake on the fly. The SpecB is very comparable to the low-C Micro B like what we have here, both in terms of size, proportion, and overall performance. And if you're not familiar with the low-C Micro B, here it is against an SCX24 to give you some perspective on the size. It's got a real aggressive, sharp-looking exterior. These tires are multi-terrain tires that it has on it from the factory. They do a pretty good job on carpet and things indoors. On slicker surfaces, they do tend to break loose more than what we're used to with other trucks. I found that I was steering this more with the rear end compared to the low-Cs. We've got long travel oil-filled shocks all around. These are adjustable as well, so you have preload adjustment on the fly. Metal ball studs in our linkage. Primary chassis plate here is all aluminum. It's got more weight to it than I expected. It's got a good heavy feel to it. Hobby Plus has made concerted effort to keep that weight down low in the chassis, and there is also an optional brass plate that you can add to the chassis plate to even sink more weight down low on this. Clipless body on this. There is no body posts or pins. This is on a Velcro in the back, and the nose just kind of slides in there. Did notice right off the bat that the Velcro pulled off of the Lexan body. With the body off, you can see some of the cool features here that Hobby Plus has done. We've got a flat mounted servo here in the front. It's got an integrated servo saver already installed. 2-in-1 ESC and receiver combo here. Now the cool thing about this is that it can be upgraded to brushless very easily. That's why they give you this tray right here. You could put an external ESC on this if you wanted to upgrade it. Accessing the battery is very slick. You have these two little posts here that you flip out on the side, and your battery is going to be tucked in underneath your electronics. You pull that whole plate up and the battery sits right down there, nice and low in the chassis. With this setup off, you can also get a better look at the motor. So we've got a 30 sized 63 turn brushed motor in this out of the factory, but it can be upgraded to a 50 sized brush motor utilizing the stock motor plate here. It can also be upgraded to brushless using the same motor plate, except up to a 1626 sized brushless motor. So it's got a solid upgrade path already on it with either a upgraded brushed motor, or if you want to go straight to brushless, they make it easy for you. In the rear, we've got a 3-geared, metal geared, sealed differential. The transmission is a hybrid model utilizing plastic and metal components. Mod 5-pitch gears in this. Chassis and everything is also designed for high impact resistance, which is good because we typically thrash these things pretty hard. The whole package comes together really well. It's fun to drive, it's fast. It'll do 13 miles an hour right out of the box in its current state. We had one occurrence where Axel jumped off his bed, landed squarely on the front end of this and didn't break anything. So far it's been tough. Now let's go drive this thing and have some fun. Now, I don't know anything about these. I am by no means an expert on these little buggies. I just know that they're fun to drive and they're great indoors. So I'm gonna get Axel, we're gonna set up some courses, and we're gonna have some fun in the house. Right in Axel's bedroom, just show us how it goes. We don't have a proper track, we just set it up just to have some fun. Yeah. We're on the carpet. It does really good on the carpet. It's hard to control on the hardwood because it's got too much power. It breaks loose really easy on the hardwood floors. Yeah, but these ramps, I think, are just not that good for this thing. Well, I am running out of battery, right? All right, now we got the course mapped out here. Let's see a lap. We go through, yep, that tight turn, going into the big jump. Over the hump. Under the bed. He blew the corner. Oh. These things are wicked fun for stuff like this. Like perfect indoor RC truck right here, or RC car rather. Great for us here in New England when the weather starts getting cold and crappy. You aren't outside as much. You can set up your little carpet track here. Ah. There you go, there you go. All right, let's do some hot laps. There's no way I'm gonna be able to do this and film at the same time. I'm running my Micro B. What I hit something. Here I come. All right, I'm out. Where are you? I don't even know where you are.
I'm already back here.
I can't get us both in the frame because I have to watch where I'm going. I missed the jump trying to focus on you.
I didn't bed though.
Okay. Oh, you're out.
I can't see where I'm going. I got turned around.
Okay. You cut the track.
No.
Your dirty move there. Okay.
Wait.
Oh, jeez, I'm out of the. Did I go down the stairs? What did I do? Where am I? Oh, jeez, I thought it went down the stairs.
Oh.
What do you think of the little SpecB, buddy?
Awesome.
You like it?
Yes, it's just the same as the one you're driving.
These things are wicked fun. Like these are legit some of the most fun mini RCs you can have.
I'm trying to do corkscrew.
Oh, it's like a front flip. All right, guys, I had a ton of fun with the little SpecB here. These things for the money are some of the most fun that you can have in RC. Just being able to run these ragged indoors. You can set up little courses like we did inside. They are a riot to drive around. Hobby Plus has done a good job with the SpecB overall, in my opinion. This thing is fun, it's fast, and it's affordable. At $99.99, there's a lot of value in this little thing. Now, like I said, I am no racer and no expert on these things by any means, but I can tell you if you're looking for something fast and fun for indoors with winter coming, something to just rip around with your buddies, this is a good option. If you've got experience with the Losi Micro B and Micro T's, it's going to be very similar to that. I did find that this one's a little slipperier in the rear, if that makes sense. I did find I was steering it more with the rear end, but overall performance-wise feels very comparable to that model, which is a good thing. So I'll keep you guys posted on how this little truck holds up longevity-wise. This is available to order now. I will put a link in the description down below. And guys, let me know your thoughts. What do you think of the little SpecB here? And as always, I appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and we'll see you in the next video.